in this video we are going to discuss the relational data type, relational operators in the Python. So what is the relational operator? That is a greater than equal to, less than equal to, right? So relational operators are these operators which are actually going to be compared, right? Compare means either the greater than equal to, less than equal to. So output will be always in the binary format, means in the Boolean format, either the true, either the false. It will be either the true, either the false. Two cases will be there, right? So we are going to discuss these things into the examples. Okay, so let's see. So in the relation operators, greater than is equal to, less than is equal to, right? So suppose that if you have a is equal to 10, b is equal to 20, if I'm going to compare a is greater than b, if you see that this is the false, right? Because b is greater than a. So in that case, this will give an false. Similarly, greater than is equal to is also false. If I'm going to compare with the a is less than b, now it's a true. This is also true. Less than and is equal to also, this is a true, this is also true. So this relational operator will always give you a true and false, okay, Boolean result. Now coming to the comparison with the itself Boolean of value, like true, greater than true, true is greater than is equal to true, like that. So true is greater than 2, no, it is equal to, not the greater than, right? In that case it is a false output. Similarly, true is greater than or is equal to true. Yeah, it is the true because it is equal to. So in that case, it will be give a true. Now coming to this part, 10 is greater than and is equal to. Sorry, 10 is greater than true. Yes, it is a true because true value is 1 and 10 value is 10. So 10 is greater than 1. That is a true. Correct. We discussed that true means 1 and false means 0. So in that case, 10 is greater than 1. That is the true. Now coming to this part, false is greater than true, that is the wrong case. False, because false means 0, true means 1. So 1 is greater than, sorry, 0 is greater than 1, that is not correct, that is a false case. So these are the some of the important example which also asked during the interview, that what is the meaning of this one. Correct. Now coming to the series of the relational operators. Suppose a less than, there are a number of series. So less than like that. So if any comparison which are the false, then whole output will become a false. Okay, so each and everything should be the true, then only the output will be the true. So if you see that this is all true, this is all true, this is true till here, right? Till here it is a true, but 40 is greater than 50, this is a false case. So that's why the whole output will become a false. What is the series of the relations should be always a true if all true. If any of the false, then all false. Okay. Now equal operators are means equal to, right? So in this series of the relations, similarly in the series of the equal operators, if any of the relation is false, then output will be false. So if you see that this is the false, then output will be a false. So if all of the true, then only the output will be the true. Got it? Now coming to the logical operators. So logical operators are those operators that are based on the and or not. That is nothing but a logical. So true and false will be always a false, right? True and false will always a false because this is the and case. It means 1 and 0, right? It always a multiplication, like it will be a 0. True and false, true or false. If yet true, if any of the true, then that become a true, right? In and case, both should be true, then only true. And in or case, any of the true, then output will be the true. And this is the opposite. Not false means opposite of the false, that is a true. Okay. Now coming to the next example, suppose that if you have print a and 20, sorry, 10 and 20. So 10 and 20, if you see that, so what is the output of 10? These are some of the important questions asked in the interview. So if I'm going to print that, so 10 and 20, so what is the maximum value? That is the 20, right? Both are the true, because it having the value. If having the value, that is a true. And what is the maximum value? That is a 20. Correct. Now coming to this part. Okay, so in this part 0 and 20, 0 and 20 means what is the output? That is a 20. Why? Because this is the false, this is the 20 means true. So false and true means false. This is the 0. Correct. Now coming to the this part 10 and 20. So what will be the output? This is the 10, this is the 20, both are the true. And what is the first part? 10, that will be the output. Got it? 0 or 20, 0 or 20, any of the true, right? This is the false, this is the true. And what is the true value? That is a 20. That will become a 20. Okay, not 10. This is a true, right? 10 means value having the value, that is a true. And opposite of the 10, opposite of the true, that is the false. Similarly 0, 0 means false, and not of the 0, not of the false means true. Correct. So these are the some of the operators, logical operators, equal operators, series of the relations, Boolean operators, and relational operators, which we have discussed in this video. I hope you understand. Thank you so much.